Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick review about this Christmas tree that we got on Amazon. This one is from Best Choice Products. My husband and I, we've been testing so many different Christmas tree, trying to find the perfect one, and we came across this one. It had a lot of good reviews. A lot of people like it. So in this video, I am going to talk about the things that I really like about this Christmas tree. I'm going to show you this tree up close so you can see the details and the quality of it, and also talk about one important thing I think you should know before buying. All right, so let's get into it. I don't want to take too much of your time. So I think this Christmas tree looks pretty full. You're supposed to fluff it, and it usually takes you about 30 minutes to an hour. And I just put this Christmas tree together in like less than 15 minutes. So I didn't really do a good job fluffing it, but it still looks really good. So I know if I take my time to really go branch by branch and fluff the tree, it's gonna look even better. This tree has the classic design, which is wider at the bottom and skinnier at the top. I like the size of it. You can kind of compare it to my wall and see how big this tree is. This is actually wider than I thought it would be. So to me, this is perfect. I like this classic design. All right, so let me get up close now so you can see the quality of the branches and how they look like. So these are the branches right here. I don't see much of a difference when I compare these to the other ones that we tested. I think they look just like any other Christmas tree. Very easy to bend these, which is nice, when you're putting ornaments on the tree. And you can kind of see up close that there aren't a lot of holes and empty areas in the tree. Like I said, the tree is pretty full. So when you put the ornaments, it's gonna look even better. The tree itself is very sturdy. The base is very sturdy. The tree doesn't move too much in place when you get close to it, or if you're trying to put ornaments. Very stable. And another thing I really like about this Christmas tree is the weight of it. It's not super heavy, especially when I compared this to the other ones. I was able to put this together myself very quickly. Now, the one thing I think you guys should know before buying this Christmas tree is that it might take you a little bit longer than you think to fluff this tree, especially the first time you get this. It comes very compact in the box, so you're gonna have to have a little bit of patience to actually open up each branch to look really, really good. Like I said, it didn't take much time to actually fluff this tree. I just wanted to see how it looked like once it was all put together. And like I said, I actually think this looks really good, especially when you consider that I didn't take much time to fluff, and really open up the branches. So, just be patient. This tree can look really, really pretty. I love this. Yeah, if you're considering buying or getting this Christmas tree, I think you should. I love the quality of it.